YouTube's comment section allows you to participate in a community and conversation around the content you watch, whether it be videos, shorts, or community posts. In this video, we'll show you how you can post your own comments and like, dislike, or reply to other comments. You need to be signed into YouTube to make comments. Check out the article in the description below to see the steps. First, let's talk about the different places where you can find and post comments on YouTube. You can post and engage with comments on a video that a creator has uploaded to their channel page. If a creator has a community tab, you can react to polls, GIFs, text, images, and videos that they've shared. You can also read and react to comments on shorts. Now, let's talk about how to browse and post in the comment section of a video. If you're on a mobile device, navigate to the area under the video player that says Comments. This area previews how many comments have been made on the video and shows one comment from the section. Tap anywhere in the comment preview section to view the comments on the video. A pop-up window will appear with the comments, but the video player will remain at the top of your screen. This allows you to browse through comments while still watching the video. To post your own comment, tap Add a Comment. Then enter your comment. Click the Send button to complete the process. If you'd like to edit or remove your comment, press the three-dot icon, then hit Edit or Delete. If you're watching YouTube on your desktop, scroll under the video player to view the comment section. To post your own comment, go to Add a Comment. Next, enter your comment. Then, click Comment to complete the process. If you'd like to edit or remove your comment, press the three-dot icon, then hit Edit or Delete. Comments on YouTube are visible to anyone who has access to the content. There are several ways to engage with comments. You can like or dislike a comment by pressing the thumbs up or thumbs down symbol. If you want to directly respond to someone else's comment, use the reply button. Creators of the video can also use a heart to show appreciation for your comment. If they heart your comment, you'll see the channel's avatar with a small red heart under your comment. Do note that you may not be able to post comments on some videos. This could be due to the creator turning off comments for their video or for safety reasons. As a reminder, all comments must follow YouTube's community guidelines. For example, we do not allow comments that encourage violence, hate, harassment, or generate spam. Repeat offenders may have their account terminated. If you see a comment that you think is inappropriate, you can report it as spam or abuse. To do so, press the three dots next to the comment. Then click Report to flag the comment. To learn more about comments on YouTube, check out the article in the description.